Hello guys, so today new word is capricious. C-A-P-R-I-C-I-O-U-S, capricious. It is given to sudden or unaccountable change of mood or behavior. Given to sudden or unaccountable change of mood or behavior. Synonym for capricious. There are fickle, inconstant, changeable, variable, unstable, mercantile, volatile, and erratic. Fickle, inconstant, changeable, variable, unstable, mercantile, volatile, and erratic. So give a few antonyms for capricious. It is cautious, constant, predictable, reasonable, and reliable. Let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1, a capricious and often cruel administration. A capricious and often cruel administration. Number 2, the novelist characterized his heroine as capricious and passionate. The novelist characterized his heroine as capricious and passionate. Number 3, her capricious nature makes her difficult to work with. Her capricious nature makes her difficult to work with. Number 4, the capricious weather has brought respite to residents from the warm and humid days. The capricious weather has brought respite to residents from the warm and humid days. Number 5, it is arbitrary and capricious and costs so much money. It is arbitrary and capricious and costs so much money.